Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Siddharth. I wanted to do this for a long time now, but it never happened. But koi nahi. I have decided that in the new year or in the first week of new year at least, I want to put out content and see how it goes from there. The reason I am starting this YouTube channel is basically कुछ patterns है मेरे life में जो मैं break करना चाहता हूँ. I feel I have been on autopilot for a long time, and by that I mean कि बहुत ही regular routine हो गया है मेरे life का. I get up in the morning, get ready, go to the office, come back, doom scroll and sleep. So this is a pattern on majority of the days of my life. तो मैं ये pattern break करना चाहता हूँ, and that is the reason why I have given myself this challenge to do few things that I want to do in my life and then record them and put that out as a content for all of you guys to watch. So that is something planning to do week on week. So तो यार मैं करने क्या वाला हूँ इस YouTube चैनल में, ये क्वेश्चन है ना. तो सिंपल है, 2-3 चीज़ें मैंने सोची हैं जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ, जिस पे मैं वर्क करना चाहता हूँ. एक है अपना हेल्थ पे. तो I will record myself doing a yoga or going for a walk or going for a jog or running, कुछ भी physical activity, and then I will try to put that out as content. Number 2 is upskilling. The field of work that I am in, it requires a lot of reading, a lot of learning, a lot of certifications, and I have been putting these certifications in the back foot from past few months or past few ईयर्स आई वुड से. एक डेढ़ साल से मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ वो सर्टिफिकेशंस. तो वो चीज़ें मैं करना चाहूँगा, एंड आई वांट टू सिट प्रॉपरली for half an hour, 1 hour, prepare for those things and create that content, put that out for you. तो दो मेन चीज़ें हैं, इससे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो हेल्थ वाइज व्हाट वी विल डू इज, जो भी मैं खा रहा हूँ या जो भी एक्सरसाइज मैं कर रहा हूँ, इवन इफ आई एम डूइंग मेडिटेशन इज समथिंग आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू बट मैंने नहीं किया, तो वो मैं करने की कोशिश करूँगा एंड आई विल रिकॉर्ड दैट एंड पुट दैट आउट एज कंटेंट. अपस्किलिंग के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नॉट जस्ट वर्क साइड, जैसे मैं बहुत टाइम से चाहता था वीडियो एडिटिंग सीखना, बट मैं कभी सीखा नहीं. आई वॉज अगेन प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग इट फॉर God knows what reason. So with this putting out content, making videos, recording myself and editing them, maybe in the process I'll learn video editing as well. So that is also something I will be able to do with this. That is the whole idea of this channel. So that's the overall idea of what I want to do with this YouTube channel. I hope I keep on doing it. एक important point जो I want to tell is it is not going to be a year long thing. मैं 1 week at a time चीज़ें करना चाहता हूँ, and in the next year out of 52 weeks if I am able to do even 20, 21, 22 videos, which is half तो नहीं होगा वैसे, but if I'm able to do close to 25 videos in next year, I will consider this experiment a success and I will allot myself for that. So that's what this YouTube channel is going to be. Stay tuned. अगर आपने ये वीडियो देखा है तो आप लाइक कर सकते हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, and please press the bell icon to get more updates from my side. This is Siddharth. Until next time.